need you to start the car and hold in the brake pedal.
So start it and hold the brake pedal.
Yeah, and
Okay.
then I'm gonna press this button and
Okay. So
you're holding it?
yeah, holding the brake.
Alright, shut it off. I'll basically put the key.
The key
know,
box.
I'm gonna,
Yeah.
I could just leave it.
Oh
Just
yeah,
right there,
yeah, it's fine.
and I could just kind of leave,
Yeah. I mean, it's not gonna be moving around, right?
No, I'm gonna find somewhere to
Put a spot, yeah.
Yeah, because like right there we're good. Nothing's gonna. I'll put a little wire tie. I don't want to put a wire tie in case you gotta get to it, but they ain't gonna move nowhere.
No, oh yeah.
Ain't nothing going nowhere.
It's secure unless you're trying to like flip over, like
Yeah.
flip the car over or
Let
something.
me get the drone and activate that.
Yeah. So there's the remote start install for Audi Q5. So I lost one key, and the key's in this box. And this box is somewhere here. Yeah, so anytime I want the key, I can get to it. So if I remove the key, right, and I place it back in the box, it will work fine. Okay, then, and there's the best. This is the best route.
It'll work fine.
Yeah, it is the best route. I thought, when you lose the key, it's like you can't use the key anymore, That's what I thought.
No, like
Yeah.
it don't deprogram or nothing. It won't remote start because it needs that to start the car.
To start the car, okay.
You can still lock and unlock it with the drone. You just won't be able to start
Yeah.
it because that's what makes the key. That's what makes the car.
The car, okay.